Hey everyone, my name is Melissa Newcomb, and I am so excited to be at the end of this with all of you. I am so ready. I'm a little nervous at the amount of work that is possibly coming with this practicum, and I'm trying to read all the things and keep up. But I've been at this since I think 2018, which is crazy. Taking breaks here and there. I've been working full time the whole time I've been doing this. Had a big move. I have three very busy girls, as you can see in that picture, and my husband. And I am a Bueller Crusader. I am on my 5th year in an elementary library for Bueller. I absolutely love the district that I work for. I love being in the library. When I was a kid, I used to go to like speech competitions where you'd memorize like a book or a part of a book, and you'd tell that story out loud, and I loved doing that. And here I am, like reading stories all the time and encouraging reading so many years later. There's a stack of books there because again, I am working in a library and working on finishing this LMS. We're almost there. There's coffee on top of the book stack because I always have coffee. I taught kindergarten for 7 years before staying home with my girls for 11 years. And then, like I said, I'm back. The girl in the blue dress is new to our house this year. She is a foreign exchange student. We just picked her up on August 16th. She flew in to Salina, of all places. She was supposed to fly into Wichita, but she missed her flight out of Chicago. Poor thing. But she's amazing, and we are having so much fun with her. The last picture at the top is a screenshot of my phone, the pictures on my phone, because I screenshot books like all the time. I'll see books on social media and I screenshot them because I want to look into them more for my own library. I love doing that, and I screenshot, other librarians on Instagram, just ideas that they come up with, and I just think that's wonderful. It's a good way for me to remember what I have ordered, what I want to look into ordering, and it just, helps me. So we'll see you all at the finish line.